Good afternoon, Cooper family. This is Chef Ryan again. Once again, I'm at home. We're out of school right now, and like last video, we're doing a lot more cooking from home. We're close to the end of the week. My pantry's bare, my refrigerator's bare, and the kids want pizza for lunch. So we're gonna try to find a way to make pizza with what we have on hand here in the household. So I scrounged everywhere, the pantry, freezer, and this is what I came up with for the bread and the pizza. I came up with some tortillas and some flatbreads that I had. So today, with my assistant over here, Chef Grayson, we're gonna make some homemade pizzas. And Grayson, what's the first thing we do when we start a project in the kitchen?
Wash your hands.
Wash our hands. Okay, so be my guest right over here. So while he's washing his hands, I also looked, Grayson likes to do pepperoni pizzas, so he's gonna be making a pepperoni pizza over here. While he's doing that, I found these tortillas, and I had this leftover rotisserie chicken that we had from the other night, so and some homemade barbecue sauce that we got from Killen's Barbecue the other day. So what I'm going to do with mine, while he's making his pepperoni pizza, I'm going to make a barbecue chicken pizza. Once again, with ingredients we have on hand. So first step, making the pizzas, after our hands are washed, of course, we're going to just put a little bit of olive oil, just a hint of it. Grayson's gonna brush his over there.
Like this.
Yeah, a little olive oil. Yeah, just spread it on there real good on both sides.
Yeah, but can I do it?
Go ahead, yeah. You're live. Okay, so while Grayson's doing that, I'm gonna do mine over here. Just putting a little bit of olive oil, a hint of this garlic, salt. So what I'm going to try to do on these tortillas here is get them nice and crunchy and kind of emulate like a thin crust pizza. And it actually works really well. So for my barbecue chicken, instead of using the traditional marinara sauce, like I said, I'm gonna use this Killen's barbecue sauce, drizzle a little of that on there in place of the marinara sauce that you would typically use. And so this one's gonna be the barbecue chicken. I'm just gonna put a little cheese on there. And of course, a little bit of the barbecue chicken. It's okay, just rub it in there real good. Looking good over there, Grayson. And I'll put a little cheese there just to kind of cover up the chicken, keep it from, keep it nice and moist while it's cooking.
Can I pick the...
Yep, go ahead with Grayson's gonna go ahead with the classic marinara sauce on his pizzas. On this one, I'm gonna do no sauce. This one's going to be just a cheese.
No, Dad, there's a big piece.
That's okay, just spread it around real good. So we're gonna, while he's spreading that, that's okay, just push it there and kind of, yeah, you can just kind of move it on there. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna steal a few of his pepperonis for this one right here with no sauce. So this is ready to go to the oven. Grayson's are coming right behind me over there. Looking good, buddy. About ready for this one now? Okay. Go ahead and start the other one, buddy. There you go, looking good. Grayson likes sauce on his pizza, so you can add as much sauce as you want. Tomatoes, of course, high in vitamins, vitamin C, really good. So the more sauce you get on pizza, the healthier it is for you. So next step, what are you gonna put on there next, buddy?
Cheese.
Cheese, how about the cheese?
There.
Okay, looks good. Let's get that cheese on there.
Do you think this is enough?
Yeah, that looks perfect. There you go. Put as much cheese as you want.
It's fine if your hands are dirty.
You can put a little bit more. And when you're done, you can just wipe your hands with that towel over there. Okay, keep on going. While he's doing that, I'm gonna get the toppings ready for the classic toppings for me for barbecue chicken pizza is the red onion and cilantro. So I'm gonna get that ready to go on my barbecue chicken pizza. This is an optional topping, of course. If you don't like red onions or cilantro, just omit it. So a little cilantro on there as well. So while we started making these pizzas, I put one in the oven just to kind of show you the end result. This is what they look like. Looks like a nice thin crust pizza here. This is the barbecue chicken pizza. I like to put the red onion on at the end. You could put it on at the beginning as well and cook it a little bit. Red onions tend to be a little bit sweeter, a little bit more milder than their white onion cousins. A little bit of cilantro in at the end. Yeah.
This is good.
That looks great, Grayson. Okay, I think you're ready to load it up into the, put your pepperonis on there. Here, I'll help you with that. Yeah, you like lots of pepperonis. Pepperonis will actually shrink a little bit when they're cooking. Right, buddy? You've noticed that?
Yeah.
So what you could do is put on extra pepperonis because they're going to shrink in the oven. So even if your pizza is completely covered, by the time you're done, you can wipe your hands, buddy, if you need to. What, buddy? You want to do 5? Okay. And this one will do a couple extra, okay? Okay, so
Yeah.
let's go ahead
I
and
have that one.
No.
You have
wipe your
this
hands.
One. Yes. Yes. This
Okay.
is mine.
One's going to be Grayson's and one is going to be Big Sister's, who's doing the filming over here. Okay, Grayson, let's load those up over here in the oven. Show them. And let's show everybody. We're going to do ours over here on the little toaster oven again. Grayson, grab your pan. And we're going to load that straight into the oven. Be really careful this step because this outside of the oven, of course, is really hot. So I'm going to assist Grayson here with this. And Grayson, how long do we cook these? Tell the camera.
So you cook them for 6 minutes and 450 degrees.
Perfect. Okay, so go ahead. There we go. So once again, thank you very much. This is the end result after the 6 minutes is up. It gets nice, crunchy, flat, thin crust there. You can see on the bottom it really crunched up nicely. For the people that like the thin crust, this is an excellent piece right here. And then what you can do on the barbecue chicken, you can add actually a little bit extra barbecue sauce on top. If you want to make it like a dipping sauce too, you could do that as well. So once again, thank you very much. Have a great day.